What is going on, everybody? I'm on my way to Best Buy to pick up a pair of earbuds, True Wireless Earbuds. Picking up a pair of the Jabra Elite 4s. This is not the 4 actives. I'll get into that naming later on in this video, but anyway, just on my way to Best Buy, and let's go. So this right here is the Jabra Elite 4. These are not the actives. Repeat, not the actives. So that's what I got right here. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna get some dinner somewhere and then head home and unbox this. Well, in case you don't know, I just came out of Olive Garden and now time to go home. Alright, so I finally made it home. Right here is the box, the Jabra Elite 4s. And now it's time to unbox them. So let's go. Now, here's the thing. Jabra is not releasing any more True Wireless Earbuds ever. I just found this out earlier today. They announced that a couple of months ago. So the Jabra Elite 10 2nd gen and the Jabra Elite 8 active, I believe it is. They put those 2 earbuds out a couple months ago, and that's going to be it for True Wireless Earbuds from Jabra. And they're losing money over the True Wireless Earbuds, and to be honest with you, I kind of see why. It's because of their confusing as heck naming schemes and confusing as heck releases. So when I say that, I'm basically saying that Jabra did not release their products when they should have. For example, I have the Jabra Elite 4 actives. Now, those are the earbuds that came out in early January of 2022. These came out a year later, the Jabra Elite 4s. Now, you would think that it would be the exact opposite, that the Jabra Elite 4s would be the ones that came out, but that's not what happened. So here we have the Jabra Elite 4 right here, and mind you, the box is a little wet. It was in a bag with my giant water bottle, so we're just gonna open the box as is. It's wet, and that's okay. So right here you have a couple of seals. Oh, well, there's no personal information on it, but that's the Best Buy order. And right there, it's probably going to be roughly the same as the Jabra Elite 4 actives. Not quite. Welcome to superior sound. Download the Jabra Sound Plus app to your smartphone, and you can customize your EQs and all that. Register your earbuds for a 2-year warranty. That's all fine and dandy. Here you go, you got the Jabra Elite 4s right here in this charging case. And look at this. These earbuds have a capacitive regular touch button, or not touch, but it's a mechanical button rather. That's what I mean. And right there, we're just gonna peel off the plastic there and get rid of it. That's one. And here comes 2. If it would just come. Now these do support fast pair with Google, so if you have an Android smartphone, you could use fast pair. And of course, right here you have your ear gels, and you have your charging cable. USB-C, of course. Expect anything less? No, I do not expect anything less. And of course, here's your ear gels right here. So that goes in with the earbuds. Anyway, let's see what else we have here. Oh, we have the instruction manual. And of course, this is how you pair it. And of course, now it's officially time to clean up all this and time to pair the earbuds. So right here, we're going to press the Jabra Elite 4s. Now, of course, they want me to take these out. Press these 1, 2, 3, boom. And we're just going to connect. And just like that, it is connecting. And the connection is successful. And now I'll see if I have to download any. So we're going to skip all this for now. The battery's at 10%, so there you go. So yeah, so here's all your features, your active noise cancellation, your music presets, neutral, speech, bass boost, treble boost, smooth, energize, that kind of thing. Yeah, so that's all your settings inside the Sound Plus app of the Jabra Elite 4s. So yeah, and that's pretty much everything. Okay, so I just got to play with the Jabra Elite 4s, and to be honest with you, I really like these earbuds. And of course, one of the main differences is that from the actives is that you have a mechanical button right here. Boom, you see I pressed it right there. And I really like that, actually. I don't mind it at all. I prefer it over a touch capacitive button that the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE and the other Samsung Buds have. But I want to talk about Jabra's naming scheming. Now, these are the Elite 4s. They have the Elite 4 Actives that came out a year and a half before these, which does not make any sense because these have drawbacks as opposed to the Elite 4 Actives. So why they chose to downgrade the Elite 4s, I have no idea. I guess nobody would notice that the Elite 4s came out way after the Elite 4 Actives. I don't know. This is why Jabra lost money in the True Wireless Earbud game, because their naming scheme was just too confusing. You didn't know which one you were going to get. You didn't know if you were getting an upgrade or if you were getting a side grade or if you were getting a downgrade. But anyway, I really like these earbuds. I hope Jabra changes their minds, and I hope that they do come back into the True Wireless Earbuds game, because Jabra makes really good True Wireless Earbuds, in my opinion. I think they offer really good sound, and they offer some of the best mic quality that True Wireless Earbuds can actually offer. But anyway, that's been it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you liked, what you didn't like. And subscribe, become a member. Subscribing is free to do. Becoming a member will cost you 99 cents a month at minimum, up to $3.99 a month, which again, it's not that much. But anyway, see ya. Bye.